Now we're going to be working with decimal division where our divisor is actually a decimal as well, which causes a problem, okay? You cannot have a decimal divisor. So we have to do some things first before we set up our problem. First thing we have to do is we have to move our decimal so that the 60.3 becomes a whole number. So I'm going to do that by moving this decimal and I'm multiplying it by 10. Or I'm just simply moving it one place to the right. Therefore, whatever I do to my divisor, I must do to my dividend. So I'm going to take this decimal and I'm going to multiply it by 10, moving it one place to the right. Now I can set up my problem like I did previously. So now we have a whole number, 603, as my divisor, into 4,221, and my decimal was at the end there. It's important that you include that decimal and move that guy right up there, okay? Now I can just divide as usual, as I'm used to. So I asked myself, can 603 go into 4? It cannot. Can 603 go into 42? It cannot. Can 603 go into 422? It cannot. Can 603 go into 4,221? Well, it better, or I'm going to be very, very upset at Miss Wright. Okay, so let's try out a few numbers here. Let's try 603. I'm just going to take a middle number here and go 5. 0, 1, 30. I could probably still go up a little higher, so I'm going to try 603 times 6. That's 1. That's 36. Okay, I'm going to try one more here. Keep going up. 603 times 7. Oh boy, this is looking kind of promising. Bingo. Okay. So we can go into it 7 times, and that total obviously worked out very nice for us. 0. Now you notice I put that decimal there. Since this evened out, there was no need for me to bring down more numbers, so 7 point nothing is really just 7. So my answer here is 7. My quotient for that division problem is 7.